Hi friends, once again welcome back to the channel. This video is regarding Kerala examination results. Let us quickly see how to check DHSE as well as VHSE results for Kerala 2021 online quickly. What you can do is just open a Google search page. You can do from mobile. You don't need to install any application. This is the link keralaresults.nic.in. You can just copy paste from my video description. I have given it there, and after opening you can see here DHSE results 2021 is published just now 3 p.m. and VHSE results also published on 28/7 it is saying. So you can click here. Suppose if you click on DHSE Directorate of Higher Secondary Education, it will go to that link and it will ask you to enter roll number and date of birth. Only two things you need to enter and click on the submit. And if you are checking anytime VHSE results, the same procedure. If you click there, it will ask you roll number and date of birth. The same details are needed for checking your both of the results. Okay, you can see here. Now let us quickly see how this can be done. Enter your roll number, whatever date of birth you have, the candidate is having, candidate's date of birth also you have to enter and click on submit. It is very quick. Once you click on submit, you can see either DHSE or VHSE, whatever result you have selected on. You can see here March 2020 examination and registration number, your personal details, candidate name, date of birth, father's name, mother's name, group, and result is also given eligible for higher studies. That means this person is having a good result. And if you scroll down, you can see the complete mark details. I have hidden some parts of personal information, first year, second year, and grand total and grade obtained for each subject also properly given. Okay, thank you so much. If you like the video, kindly give us a like. Also please share and subscribe, share with your friends who is looking for the results online. Thank you so much. See you with another informative video.